Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a product that was sent out to me to review from GODOX. So if you have purchased the Osmo Pocket 3 and yet don't have a wireless microphone for it, this could be an amazing option for you. This is the Cube-OP3. Now this kit will consist of a receiver as well as a transmitting microphone. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, take a look at everything that comes in the box. So inside of the box, as you guys can see here, we're greeted with the microphone itself. We also receive a starter manual, and we receive some really cool stickers for your microphone. That's nice. All right, so let's take a look at the main event. Inside of the box, you're going to get this nice little travel case that you see here. Inside of the travel case, you'll find all of the other accessories. Let's go ahead and pull those out. So you get a little magnetic microphone holder. You receive a charging cable for the microphone itself. You receive a USB-A to USB C connector with an adapter. You also receive the magnetic clip for your microphone as well. All right, so let's take a look at the kit itself. Here is the receiver that you guys see here. So this has your power button on the back and I think your sync connection. You also have a /20 underneath as well as an additional USB-C, and there's a USB-C here on the front. So you know why that. If you're using a Pocket 3, you know the benefit of having this on the front so that you can easily connect to your camera and transfer files off of it. All right, so here is the microphone. Now it comes with the little wind muff already attached to it. It just looks like a little ring. And then this is the actual microphone itself. Very small, very petite little microphone. Now the cable that came with it, as you guys can see here, is also a 3-prong, and it just connects magnetically like that. That's what's going to allow you to charge up your microphone. Okay, so let's get to the install. Let me show you guys how this works. So I'm going to disconnect from the Pocket 3 here, existing extension. So with this, you're going to just plug this in like so, and the little legs just snap on. Make sure those snap on securely. Okay, so now that's on. So now I can replace this if I choose to by just connecting it like so and making sure both sides snap. Now it does add a little bit of length to the unit, but at the same time, you know, this is going to be only used most of the time when you're going to be recording something. So let's set this back down here on the table. So now we can power this on. Let's turn on the Pocket 3 and let's power on the microphone itself. All right, so the microphone is now connected. So you may have to go into your settings, wireless microphones, go here to audio. All right, guys, this is sample audio coming into the Pocket 3 using the GODOX microphone so you can hear what it actually sounds like being recorded directly into the Pocket 3. You'll also be able to use this microphone to connect to other devices such as phones or computers. Now the way that works is you would just plug in the receiver, and then we'll be able to plug the receiver into this cable here. Then this is automatically powered on. And now, as you guys see, as I speak, we're getting levels coming into the phone. And that's pretty much what we want to see. As you see, a very simple way to connect your microphone to your phone or to a tablet or computer. This is a very useful device that can be used for multiple devices. So in my book, this is a win. Everything you need comes in the box. It has a really nice little travel case. I think this is going to be a win. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.